Hey everyone, and welcome to the DPP Minute. This week, first of the deep dives, robustness.
Indeed, durability changed into robustness. The reason is the JRC found out it's too difficult to measure durability. So they changed it to robustness, which actually have standardized test reports available, such as visual inspection and dimensional change. So what we expect in the DPP is that it will show this garment's robustness score against a max possible score.
Right. And these are not some crazy exotic tests, right? Spirality and visual inspection. QC teams are already doing that. You already have the data. It's just having it in a structure that the DPP can read it. So I guess right now, people should be pulling all that data they have into one view and looking for the gaps and talking to their suppliers about it, right? Now, not in 2027.
That's right. And that was the DPP Minute.
See you next time.